Do you want to stay connected with your clients and reach potential ones directly? If so, email marketing is a powerful tool that will enable you to do just that. Hey, I'm Andrew Wallis, and in this video, I'll show you how to build and nurture an email list to help you grow your fitness business. Email marketing allows you to communicate directly with your target audience. Unlike social media, where algorithms control visibility, email gives you direct access to your clients or your potential prospects' inboxes. So it's an effective way to build relationships, helps you to share valuable content, and ultimately allows you to promote your services directly to those target clients. To build your email list, you'll need to offer something valuable in exchange for your prospects' contact information. This is known as a lead magnet, or I've seen it called a lead generator as well, but both are the same thing. Here are some effective lead magnets that personal trainers or fitness professionals could consider using. Free ebooks or workout guides, or discount codes or free trials, exclusive fitness tips or meal plans, access to a private Facebook group or online community. Promote your lead magnet on your website, throughout your social media, and during in-person interactions. Your sign-up form should be simple and easy to fill out. Always ask for basic information such as their name and email address. Keep it really simple. Place that sign-up form in prominent locations on your website, such as on your homepage, on your blog posts, as well as on any landing pages you use. Use clear and compelling calls to action like join now or get your free guide. Once you have subscribers on your mailing list, I can't stress that it's essential to keep them engaged with high quality, valuable content. Each email you send should provide value and ultimately look to build trust. To help you out, here's some types of content that you could consider including: fitness tips and workout routines, client success stories, updates on your services and upcoming promotions, personal insights and motivation. Make sure your emails visually appeal and make sure you keep them concise. And always use catchy subject lines to increase those open rates. Automation can save you time and ensure your subscribers receive consistent communication. Set up email sequences for new subscribers, such as a welcome series that introduces you as well as your services. Automation tools like ConvertKit, Funneler, MailChimp, Constant Content, and ActiveCampaign can help you manage your campaigns effectively. Those are just a few. There's many more out there, so find one that you enjoy using and find easy to use because you're more inclined to continue using it. Monitor the performance of your email campaigns and your analytics. Key metrics to track include open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Use this data to help you optimize your emails for even better results. Test different subject lines, content, and send times to see what works best for your audience. Unfortunately, it's not a magic bullet. What works for one person doesn't necessarily work for another, so always test. By following these strategies, you'll be able to build and nurture an email list that drives growth for your fitness business. As always, if you need personalized advice or have any questions, then please feel free to contact me, because as always, I'm here to help you succeed. And remember, email marketing is a powerful way to stay connected with your audience and promote your services. Unfortunately, not enough fit pros use this strategy, so use it wisely and then watch your business thrive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos just like this. And in the next video, we'll dive into how to develop a lead magnet that helps you attract your potential perfect clients. Until then, keep pushing forward and stay committed to your growth. I'll see you in the next video.